Cooking with Coot. Oh, there we go. Good to see you today. Hope you're doing good. All right, so we've been doing some cast iron stuff around here, and I thought I'd show you how I clean my cast iron skillet. It ain't hard new. Look at the skillet. We just got finished doing some egg in it, you know, and just wanted to show you how we clean it. And it's it's a little warm. Use the pot holders, all right? So we're gonna turn it around this way because this is the way I like to turn it, all right? And we're gonna carry it over here to the sink. So come on over here and watch this. Okay, I know what you're thinking. You're not gonna put water in, are you? Yes, I am. So I'm gonna put a little water, okay? Just rinse them crumbs out. A little egg left over in there. Boop, there it went. Look at that. Basically, it's a self-cleaning pan. Did you see that? Watch this. Boom. There it is. Boom. Clean as a whistle. Well, almost. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to leave a little water in it. I'm going to take a little scrubber right here, just a little one. And I'm not going to bear down much. I'm just going to move around. Going to get a few little pieces that might be there. That middle's a little dry because that's where we cook most of our cooking. This stuff on the outer edge. See how that water beads off of it? That's a nice seasoned skillet. The thing is, you don't over clean these things. All right, then you're gonna pour this out. All right, then give it a little rinse. I ain't used no soap. Not going to. We're going to the stove now. You gotta dry this pan up. So we're gonna put this on here. All right, and we're gonna cut it on high. Cut it on high. All right, get it good and warm. Take your dish rag a little bit. Just kind of, see that? Whoop around in it. Just whoop it around. See that? Just whoop. Look at that. Whoop. Now, we use bacon grease around here for near about everything. We brush our teeth in it, wash our hair in it, everything. I'm gonna take just a little of it, whop it in there like that. I'm gonna melt it off there. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna do something they tell you never to do. I do it, it's no big deal. Now, I'm gonna turn that off. So what I need to do is I need to slop it around all over. Now, the thing that you gotta be careful with using a paper towel, that's what a lot of people tell you not to never do. Here's what you don't want to get lint all over. So just don't use the same side forever, all right? Flip it over, okay? Here's how you do it. I'm using it just to spread stuff around. See that? Spread it up the sides too. Yes, spread it. Now see, I haven't rubbed a bunch, haven't rubbed a whole lot, okay? See there? Now, you can't leave that much in there. You can't leave it in there. It'll go rancid on you, go bad. So what you do, turn over on the clean side. I'm gonna get on the clean side, and watch this. Yep. Around the sides, I'm wiping out as much of it as I can. Now look, I ain't got lint all over it. Now, I didn't rub it like crazy neither. It's not like waxing a car, okay? You just whoop it around, whoop, 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 whoop. There it is. That's a perfect skillet right there. It's ready for I don't care what you want to cook in it. Fried chicken, pork chops, just anything, all right? I'm telling you what, cast iron makes your food happy. And you want to eat happy food, you know that? All right, y'all have a good day. I love you. Bye-bye. Hey, y'all, don't forget to mash the subscribe and the like button. I'd appreciate it. And tell all your friends to watch Cooking with Coot. I'll teach them how to make their food happy.